Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Vanshika, Verma Khare.
author of.
Play keyboard with ease.
So ma'am, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It's awesome because we get to meet the Notion Press people, and also we also get to meet other authors and our readers. And it's a different experience altogether.
What is some of the most memorable feedback you've gotten about your book, ma'am?
It's very easy to play keyboard or piano by reading this book, and you don't need a teacher or any tutor. So you can just self-learn the whole instrument. And that's the most important feedback which I have received till now.
Are you a musician yourself? Have you been in this?
I do play keyboard, and I have learned it from my father. And also now, after doing a lot of research over internet and by learning myself, I came to this point that I should write a book on piano or keyboard, and I should be doing this for a very long time now.
Right.
So I'll be writing more and more books now. So
Wonderful. So what are some tips you want to give to our community of budding writers?
So basically, the book should be, there are few things which do matter because I have written 3 books with Notion Press. So, according to me, the book size, the font of the book, and the arrangement, whatever is there, whatever you write, it should be in a proper systematic manner. Otherwise, all the readers will not find any interest in reading the book. And if you are writing a book on music, you should always include popular songs because popular song is loved by everybody. If you include boring songs, they would not like to play or buy your book. And the price also matters. Books should not be too expensive or should not be like very cheap, otherwise you will not benefit from it. So you should actually do some R&D before actually setting up the price. That's all.
Right. So thank you so much for sharing that with us. Thank you so much for visiting. I hope you have a wonderful book fair, ma'am. Thank you.
Definitely.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot to Notion Press for organizing such a great,